Hello everyone! Today I will be showing you a quick and easy way to make a fortune teller. The first step is to fold the corner to its opposite side corner on both sides. The second step is to take the corner and fold it directly to the middle, crease it and keep it there. Then you'll want to flip it around and do the exact same thing. Corner to the middle, crease it, and keep it there. Then, fold one side to the other and do it the other side as well. My hand gets cut off a bit, but what you'll do is the last side that you fold it on side to side, keep it like that, flip it around to where you get little finger pockets, and open them up.